hard at work. Cali. Makes his own clothes. Makes food for you.
Jizzard.
Oh, it's supposed to be kicking with Cali. Website coming soon where you can place your orders.
Place your orders.
Don't forget where he's from. Oh, Chelsea also.
Now, for those of you that are younger out there, I want you to hear me with this. Okay, I'm
Guy, some of a guy.
Make it right, man.
If you know,
Instagram is what, the inside one? This one. That comes off, right?
Close.
Por favor, please.
There's no pressure. What pressure? That's what he said. He said, what pressure? He's like, there ain't no pressure. What pressure? You got this. Probably paying the big bucks. What pressure? Instagram, y'all hiring? Instagram. Wish I'd be like Facebook. Y'all hiring? Man.
Stop playing, dog.
You ever seen that meme? Y'all niggas hiring?
Yeah.
That's a hilarious meme.
I don't know, he's hot.
And the motherfucker got no resume, no nothing.
Nothing.
Yeah, they want to hire you. Why don't they want to hire you? They got nothing.
At the shop, and in these hours, got work going on. Watching what is it? YouTube. YouTube is my new TV. While posting content for YouTube, making it do what it do. What's his statement? What and not finished? VIPs, yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, I ain't no VIP. I'm not no everyday millionaire. I'm not an everyday millionaire, but work towards it and we make it happen. Oh, this is a nice view right here. This is a dope picture. Yo, y'all lit. I'm a celebrity. You didn't come in.
I'm trying to make fun of him. Oh, yo, you trying to holler like crap?
Yeah, y'all are crazy. Oh, they stopped.
No, they didn't do that right. They didn't do that right.
So TikTok, this is what TikTok is right now, y'all. These young girls. Is there school going on? They skip school to put this in. No school? All right, she's about to do it again. She's like, yo, take. Oh, no. She got her phone.
Damn, she posted it.
It's cold outside, too.
I think she posted it. She about to do it again.
Actually, we might, I might have you go across the street, Jabir. Call her. Tell her, come do a TikTok here.
Oh, the bus just got away.
Nah, but they did it already. Did you get them doing it? I didn't even get any content of them doing it.
I plugged you guys in.
I know. I missed out.
I'm about to make some spaghetti.
Why this is what I'm eating.
Yeah, but you don't like meatballs.
So basically, I'm editing some videos for y'all, and I decided to add some cool features. And this might be something that I actually do a good job at. So I'm about to put Russell Westbrook in one of my videos. You know when he goes, what? I'm about to put that in there because I did some idiotic thing, and like I was saying some stuff that made no sense to me. You guys might hear it and be like, what's wrong with this dude? So yeah, but that automatically triggered an idea to like go find videos to do that and add more of those funny videos I've seen back in the day. That might be something that works for me. I don't know. I just found a YouTube that has all those videos. So right now I think it's like a 10-minute video of every single joke that I found funny. Some I might have not ever seen either, but like this one. But y'all might have seen some of them. I ain't see all of them, but either way, let me show y'all what's Russell Westbrook one. Is it?
These bags. What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So I ain't gonna let y'all see the slow version yet. Y'all gotta watch it. Y'all gotta make sure y'all watch this when I post it and enjoy, all right?